Good morning guys, mga unta, mamahaw, sudan, okra, and then apaguri, ginisang sardinas, kapi. Mamahaw ta kay pas mo gito aning sira tag-engage ani. Hoy, ko ani kausaban. Pero padayon ta ay kaon.
Antibacterial zinc for up to 24-hour fresh breath. So there's more time for you to get close. New Close Up for up to 24-hour fresh breath.
Okra.
For generations, Milo has energized millions of Filipinos. I am one of them.
Yes. Importante mamahaw kita kay pas mong bitok. Parang pasad ko na human laba and then nanapoy masunod kuya oy. Fight inahan. Kaon. Bye.